students, after study the microorganism rhizobium, now we study about the yeast. Bring some active dyes from the market. Take 1 spoon of yeast, 2 spoon of sugar, and it is added in a lukewarm water and keep that bottle for 10 minutes. After that, after this, fix a balloon on the mouth of the bottle. Then after 10 minutes, there is an accumulation of gas. Mix the gas with lime water. What we observe after some time, that lime water turns milky. It means that during this process there is a formation of carbon dioxide. So that process is called as the fermentation. So yeast have a characteristic features that it can ferment any product, or carbon compound can be fermented with the help of yeast. We can take drop of this solution on the slide and put a cover slip over it and observe under the microscope. So what we can observe, there are oval shaped cells which are moving in the solution. Now this yeast is a heterotrophic fungal microbes. It is from fungus and carbon compound, growing on a carbon compound, means yeast grow on the carbon compound. Yeast is a eukaryotic type of organism. Eukaryote means nucleus is well organized or well developed, and nuclear material is present inside the nucleus. That yeast reproduces asexually by the process of budding. In yeast, reproduction takes place, but which type of reproduction? Asexual reproduction. And by which method? Budding. Now we discuss what is bud or budding. So in yeast cell, when that yeast cell grows fully, there is a outgrowth form from the cell wall of the parent cell. So it grows, that is called as the bud. After that, there is a division of the nucleus of the parent cell, and then one nucleus transfer into the bud, and in this way that daughter bud is formed from the parent bud. And after the complete growth, that daughter cell detach from the parent body, or they remain on the parent body. So there is a formation of chain like cells, number of cells which are attached to each other. That molasses yeast reproduce asexually by the process of budding. We know that during the formation of sugar from sugar cane, there is again production of alcohol. That molasses which is produced from the sugar cane, that molasses is the form of carbohydrate. So from that molasses, there is a formation of ethyl alcohol, and with the help of the yeast, that is the Saccharomyces, means Saccharomyces convert molasses into the ethyl alcohol. The ethyl alcohol is the primary product, and after that, that is ester and other alcohol can be produced. From ethyl alcohol, spirit and other type of alcohol are also produces. Besides molasses, there is another grains can be used for the fermentation process or for the production of ethyl alcohol, like barley, then other grains. Next, a yeast Arrowia lipolytica is used to absorb toxin released during the production of palm oil, and this is called as the bioremediation. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for the absorption of pollutant arsenic. Oil spills in ocean are cleaned with the help of Alkali borax bacteria. Again, the fructose or glucose which is present in the grape juice, it is also converted into the alcohol or for the production of wine with the help of fermentation process. So important properties of yeast cell, that they can ferment the product, ferment the food, and it is converted into the alcohol and carbon dioxide.